Alan Gustafson, that's a great call. You might lose one more spot here, but there's still a big gap right here. This is a game changer. Somebody just shot way out of the screen.
There's no better feeling than when you have a car like Truex does. You have a 3-second lead. You get to take the white flag lap and just savor it and kind of enjoy all of it. Don't have to run it 100%.
He'll hear these words. Just bring it home. That's
right.
A good phrase.
Through turn 12, and Martin masters Sonoma. Martin Truex for Joe Gibbs Racing and Toyota gets his second win of the season.
Oh yeah, brother. Oh yeah. I told you it was all lining up. I felt bad for him. Good job, man.
I felt bad for him.
I love him.
No, he didn't.
Clint, I don't know about you, but you win one of these races. It's such a long lap here at Sonoma. You want to do all the burnouts. What you really want is that moment with your team. You know,
you
like
got to save a little bit. I want to do this
yeah, I mean, like
boys.
it's that celebration you get to have with your whole team.
Yeah, for sure. He's going to burn it down right to them, stop in front of them. No, he just went right by him, Jamie.
gonna get a,
I want to turn around. I'm coming back.
He may get a drive-through for excessive burnout.
Fourth win here. Unbelievable. That guy at this track.
When you're hot, you're hot. And Martin Truex, boy, he mastered Sonoma today.
It's one of those old-fashioned. What did Larson say the other day? That's an old-fashioned butt whooping right there.